Data science, with its promise of unlocking hidden patterns and driving informed decisions, has taken center stage in the 21st century. From healthcare to finance, and from marketing to technology, data science is revolutionizing industries and shaping the future. Yet, behind every groundbreaking algorithm and insightful prediction lies a crucial, often overlooked process: data cleaning. This essential step ensures that the data fed into models is accurate and reliable. Often perceived as mundane groundwork, data cleaning is the unsung hero, the bedrock upon which the entire edifice of data science stands. It involves identifying and correcting errors, handling missing values, and ensuring consistency across data sets. Imagine constructing a skyscraper on a foundation riddled with cracks. The result would be catastrophic. Similarly, a data model built on flawed data is doomed to fail. Neglecting data cleaning can lead to flawed analyses, inaccurate predictions, and misguided decisions. The consequences can be far-reaching, affecting business strategies and outcomes. Just as a sculptor chisels away imperfections to reveal a masterpiece, data scientists must refine their raw data, purging it of errors and inconsistencies. This meticulous process is what transforms raw data into valuable insights. The significance of data cleaning extends beyond ensuring data accuracy. It transforms raw, chaotic data into a structured, reliable asset. Clean data is the foundation of robust data models and accurate predictions. Without it, even the most sophisticated algorithms are rendered ineffective, their potential squandered on flawed data. Thus, data cleaning is not just a step in the process, it is the cornerstone of successful data science. Unclean data, much like a wrench in a well-oiled machine, can severely disrupt the data science process, leading to a cascade of problems. It's not just a minor inconvenience, it can halt entire projects and derail strategic initiatives. The consequences of neglecting data cleaning can range from minor inaccuracies to major blunders, potentially costing businesses time, resources, and reputation. These errors can propagate through systems, creating a ripple effect that impacts various departments. One of the most common pitfalls of unclean data is inaccurate analysis. Analysts may spend countless hours trying to make sense of flawed data only to arrive at incorrect conclusions. When data is riddled with errors or missing values, the insights derived become unreliable, leading to flawed conclusions. This can misguide decision-makers and lead to poor strategic choices. Imagine a marketing campaign based on inaccurate customer data. The result would be a wasted budget and missed opportunities. The campaign might target the wrong audience, leading to poor engagement and low conversion rates. Furthermore, unclean data can significantly hinder the performance of machine learning algorithms, leading to biased outcomes and inaccurate predictions. This can affect everything from product recommendations to financial forecasting. Beyond the immediate impact, unclean data can erode trust in data-driven decision-making, hindering the adoption of data-driven cultures within organizations. Over time, this can lead to a reluctance to invest in data initiatives, stalling innovation and growth. Clean data acts as a performance booster for algorithms, enabling them to function at their optimal capacity and deliver accurate results. Just as a high-performance engine thrives on clean fuel, machine learning algorithms perform best with accurate, consistent, and complete data. Clean data reduces noise and bias, providing a clearer picture of underlying patterns, allowing algorithms to learn more effectively. This is crucial in supervised learning, where clean data ensures algorithms learn the correct associations, leading to accurate predictions. Moreover, clean data improves the efficiency of the model training process, reducing training times and computational resources. By providing a clean input, data cleaning allows algorithms to focus on true signals, resulting in faster training times and more reliable models. Ultimately, clean data leads to more accurate and efficient algorithms. Real-world triumphs. Data cleaning in action. The impact of data cleaning extends far beyond theoretical benefits, manifesting in tangible successes across various industries. From healthcare to finance, the power of clean data is evident. In healthcare, data cleaning has played a pivotal role in improving patient outcomes. By ensuring the accuracy and consistency of patient data, healthcare providers can make better-informed decisions. Researchers at a leading medical institution use data cleaning techniques to identify and correct inconsistencies in a vast patient database. This meticulous process was crucial in enhancing the reliability of their research. This led to the discovery of hidden patterns in patient symptoms and responses, resulting in more effective treatment protocols. Such insights were previously obscured by messy data. The financial industry too has witnessed the transformative power of data cleaning. Clean data is essential for accurate financial forecasting and risk assessment. A global investment firm improved the accuracy of their risk models by implementing rigorous data cleaning procedures, leading to more informed investment decisions. This not only enhanced their performance but also built greater trust with their clients. These examples highlight the tangible benefits of data cleaning, showcasing its ability to unlock hidden patterns and drive positive outcomes across various sectors. Clean data is the foundation for reliable analysis and strategic decision-making. The power of simplicity. Better data trumps complex algorithms. In data science, there's a misconception that algorithm complexity correlates with effectiveness. However, the quality of data trumps the sophistication of algorithms. A sophisticated algorithm can only operate within the confines of the data it is provided. If the data is flawed, the algorithm will amplify those flaws, leading to inaccurate results. Conversely, even a simple algorithm can yield accurate results when trained on clean, consistent data. Consider a master chef and a novice cook. The chef's skills are futile with stale ingredients, while a novice can produce a delicious meal with fresh ingredients. Better data beats fancier algorithms every time. Mastering the essential data cleaning techniques. Mastering data cleaning involves technical skills, domain knowledge, and a keen eye for detail. One primary step is data profiling, examining data for inconsistencies, errors, and missing values. This includes analyzing data distributions, identifying outliers, and checking for data type mismatches. Data profiling provides a comprehensive understanding of the data's structure and quality. Addressing identified issues may involve handling missing values, correcting errors, and resolving inconsistencies. Data transformation converts data into a format suitable for analysis, including normalization and aggregation. Throughout the process, documentation is paramount, ensuring transparency and reproducibility. Effective data cleaning is the cornerstone of reliable analysis. Conclusion. Data cleaning, the cornerstone of data-driven success. In data science, the quality of insights is directly proportional to the quality of data. Data cleaning, often seen as unglamorous, is the cornerstone of data-driven success. By scrubbing away errors and inconsistencies, data cleaning reveals the true potential within raw data. It is a strategic imperative, the bedrock of informed decisions and accurate predictions. Embrace data cleaning, for it is in meticulous preparation that the true masterpiece of data-driven discovery is revealed.